Hello, today I am going to attempt to show you how to make crochet and acrylic fan earrings. We're going to do just one earring together today. I also provide written instructions on materials used and the stitches and pattern that you'll use to make these, along with the cut pattern for the little fan shape out of acrylic that has been tested on my Glowforge Pro laser. Like any crochet pattern, you want to start off with a slip stitch, or a slip knot, sorry. Start off with a slip knot. Tighten it up around your crochet hook. I am using a 1.5 millimeter crochet hook. And now you want to start single crocheting around the outer edge of this acrylic shape. There's our first single crochet. Two. Three. Four. Kind of slide this over to leave enough room. 5. 6. And 7. Now to go to the next row, I'll simply chain one at the end and turn my work. Get a little working thread out here. Flip my work over. And in that very first single crochet from the prior row, I'm going to work one single crochet. In the next one, I'm going to work 2 single crochets. 1, 2. Next one, 1. Then 2 again. Basically, we're increasing. 1, 2, back in that same stitch. Then 1. Then 2, 1, 2, and then in that final stitch of the row, which can be a little bit tight to work in that, just one single crochet at the end, chain 1 again, and turn our work. And next we're on row 3. I'm going to do 2 single crochets in this first single crochet stitch from the last row. 1, 2. Then I'm going to chain 1, skip the next single crochet, 2 single crochets in the next one, so basically that third stitch of the prior row. Chain 1 again, skip this one, go into the next one, 1, 2 single crochets, chain 1, skip that next stitch, go into the next one, 1, 2, pull some thread, chain one again, skip the next one, single crochet, just one in that, and then one final single crochet in that last stitch. That's the end of row 3. Now we're going to chain 1, turn again. Row 4, we'll make one single crochet in the single crochet from the last row. This time we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and you're looking for that chain 1 space. See how it's a little bit larger, and I apologize, it's very hard to see in crochet thread doing a video like this, but you're going to single crochet into that, chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, skip these 2 stitches, look for that next kind of bigger hole where you chain 1, single crochet into it, chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, look for the next hole, chain 1 space, single crochet into that, chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, look for that last hole here, single crochet into it, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet to the last stitch from the last row. And again, sometimes that last stitch can be from the prior row can be tough to work into. I'm struggling a bit to get it in there. In our last row, 5th row, first we chain 1 and turn again. Work a single crochet into that single crochet we just made in the last row. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, work into the chain 3 space. So it's very similar to the last row. There's just going to be more of these. Chain 3 again. Work into the single crochet from the prior row. Do another single crochet, chain 3 again, single crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 3 again, single crochet into the prior single crochet, chain 3 again, single crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 3 again, single crochet into the single crochet, chain 3 again, single crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 3 again, single crochet into the single crochet, chain 3 again, single crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 3 again, single crochet into the single crochet from the last row at the end, and you have your fan earring. Take a look at that. I'm going to stop the video before, but I would just cut this, knot it off at the end, work any loose threads into your work as you would with any other crochet project, and there you have it, your acrylic crochet fan earring. Thanks.